So today I really wanted to talk about understanding the blues. I don't mean understanding that it's generally 12 bars long, that it generally has the chords 1, 4, and 5 in it. I don't mean that. I mean understanding it for what its purpose is. The purpose of a blues progression is to tell a story. The first 4 bars, think of it as like an intro of the setting. The second 4 is like a departure and a return. And then the last 4 is kind of just wrapping it all up. A thing I've always really enjoyed doing to illustrate that point and how fun of a genre it can be to play is by telling a story about my day. Anybody, if you want to try it, you'll immediately sound like you just sang a blues song. In a facetious way, of course, but you get my drift. So I'm going to just do 2 little examples for you to show basically that power of that blues progression and how it can kind of introduce something, elaborate on it, and conclude it. If you're starting out, I'd suggest picking the key of A, D, or G for your blues. And today I'm going to do one in A and one in G. Why I'd pick A is because you can do that blues shuffle really easily. Why I'd pick D and G, for instance, would be because they all have kind of cowboy chords in them. I think you'll be fine no matter what, and you'll be able to play it in no time. So today I'm going to do A and then G. Let's start with A. I'm going to start each blues with the same turnaround lick that might seem familiar to you and is really easily learnable if you don't know it already. Woke up this morning, put my pajamas on. Yeah, it was cold this morning, put my pajamas on. Got a bagel with cream cheese, put the coffee on. You kind of see how, like, we've heard enough about the bagel and that it was cold when I put my pajamas on. It was like, it's established, the setting was set, it concluded, on to the next topic. The next topic could easily be, came back upstairs, but, whatever. Just to illustrate how powerful the progression is in concluding literally any story about anything, I'm going to do it one more time in the key of G and sing about literally blowing my nose. It's pretty dusty in here, so I grab a Kleenex that's near and I say, achoo. I say, achoo. 'Cause I got those nose-blowing blues. That last lick is a little bit fancy, but you get my idea. Okay, so what about the nose-blowing blues? Tell me more about it, or, move on to the next topic. Do you also have a cough? I don't know. That idea is done, on to idea 2. And that's that power of that blues progression. It's wonderful at telling the story for you, no matter what you say, giving some kind of form and purpose to it, and which is why everyone should give it a shot. It's fantastically fun to do. And the better you become as a rhythm player and lead player, and especially if you can combine the two, it becomes even more fun. And it's a great way to end your practice routine, really. Go through your scales, go through your rhythms, learn some new chords, and then play one of those, play a nice blues about literally anything. It's going to put a smile on your face and anyone you happen to be nearby. So I hope this video helps shed some light on what the blues is. Not that it's, 12-bar blues, because it is. But here's why it is. If you have any questions, please ask. I love talking to you guys, and I'll see y'all next week.